comedian Jim Davidson is reportedly gutted after splitting from his wife of 14 years Michelle Cotton. The celebrity Big Brother winner, 69, is said to have revealed on stage during his not-yet-cancelled tour that he's currently undergoing divorce number 5 with his wife. He is said to be really sad and gutted that they haven't been able to make their relationship work and that he's not thrilled at the prospect of going through another public divorce. It comes after his previous 4 divorces are believed to have cost him up to £60 million. He's resigned to the reality nothing can be done, a source told The Sun. The Mirror has reached out to Jim's reps for comment. Jim wed first wife Sue Walpole in 1971, with the couple divorcing just 1 year later. The couple share daughter Sarah Walpole Davidson, 50, together. He went on to marry Julie Gulick in 1981, who he went on to have his eldest son Cameron, 40, with. Julie and Jim divorced 5 years later in 1986. His third marriage to Alison Holloway lasted just 1 year, with the pair divorcing in 1988. Jim wed fourth wife Tracy Hilton in 1990 and the couple went on to have 3 children, 33-year-old Charlie, 31-year-old Fred and Elsie, 30. They divorced 10 years later in 2000. Ahead of his wedding to his fourth wife, actor John Mills sent a tele-message to mark the occasion, which read, "Will it last?" In February this year, Jim previously spoke about how he feared that his Operation U-Tree arrest would end his career. He was arrested in connection with the police operation set up in 2013 amid the Jimmy'sville sex abuse scandal, but faced no further action over the allegations made. Remembering the media furor at the time, Jim said in a new interview, "They were all camped outside my house. Loads of people. They were all outside my house for ages and ages and ages. And I remember coming around the corner as I'd come back from the co-op and there was a live TV crew there." Speaking to Nana Akuan on GB News, Jim went on, "I'm looking back at it as a laugh, but I thought it was a done deal." Recalling his arrest, he said, "Suddenly I was arrested at Heathrow. I had a load of accusations. And me and my lawyers went and got all the evidence and gave it to the police. And they basically said, 'Jim, there's not going to be any more action, so no further action, NFA.' It was a bit scary because I thought it was a done deal."